Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an attractive recipe YouTube thumbnail for your videos. So if you're making food or recipe videos, this is the most helpful video for designing thumbnails. Even if you have no idea or experience in designing thumbnails, you don't need to worry. Go to canva.com and create an account. In Canva, you can make a thumbnail from scratch. Or, best of all, you can edit professionally designed pre-made templates that look really professional. So, sign up for Canva without delay. After creating your account, go to the search bar and type Recipe Thumbnail. Look at how professional they look. If you don't like any of them, click Show More and explore additional options. You can customize any thumbnail you like with your own image, logo, everything can be modified. There are some paid options, but don't worry, there are also plenty of free ones. These are free. This one is free. Just explore and find the one that fits your expectations and meets your needs. Once you find one you like, just click on it and customize it. For now, I'll go with this one, which is free, and you'll also find other similar relevant options to choose from. Right now, I will go with this one and customize it. After you select any template, hit Customize, and now you can modify anything. If you want to change the font or text, just double-click on it, and like this, you can easily edit it. To play with the text, go to the Font section. You can choose from hundreds of fonts. Here, you have the size option, and here's the option for text color. Pick whichever you prefer. Here's the option for bold, italic, and underline. After that, you can adjust the transparency. Here you'll find other text effects as well. That was for the text. Now, if you want to change the background, go to the Upload section. If you have your own background image that you want in your thumbnail, upload it from your computer. Just click on Upload and select your image. Upload it from your computer, and after uploading, your image will appear here. For example, if this is the background I want to use, I'll just drag it in. And as you can see, the transparency is low, so I'll adjust it accordingly. Similarly, to replace an image, go to Upload, Upload from your computer, it will appear here. Just drag it over. It's really simple, right? If you want to add your own logo, upload it the same way. Resize it as you like and position it. Or, if you want to add other elements, go to the elements like a Subscribe or Watch Now button. For free options, this one is free. I'll select this one and make it smaller. This one is in another language, but you get the idea. In a similar way, maybe I'll go with this one. What's Now? Watch Now, and so on. Just check which ones are free as you explore. You will notice some are pro, but you can pick whichever you like, or you can go with Subscribe Now. These elements may be paid, but if you go to Subscribe, you'll see your free versions. Search for Free, or maybe pick whichever is free. Just add it. You can also upload your own icons from your computer. Once you have everything added, you're good to go. This is a simple process to create a professional-looking recipe thumbnail in Canva within a few seconds or minutes. You can create a thumbnail from scratch or use the pre-made templates. Just use all the tools and features, and within a few weeks, you'll get comfortable with everything. Make sure, after your thumbnail is ready, to check it once to make sure there aren't any mistakes. And after checking it, go to the Share option to download your image. Download it in PNG format. Other formats are available if needed, but PNG is best for thumbnails. Download it, upload it to your YouTube videos, and that's it.